Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna not talk because hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're gonna be doing the BoxyCharm. So this is my July's month box, and I got this like 2 weeks ago. I want to say like 2 weeks ago, and I have not used anything from it. I have not played with it. I did open it though, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So it comes with this really cute card, and this just tells you like the information about everything that's in the box, the prices, what it does, and that kind of thing. So if you guys did not know, I think I mentioned BoxyCharm on my channel before. This box is $26, and you do get 5 or 6 full-size products every month. Again, if you're into makeup, it's something that I highly recommend. You do get really good brands in here. Yeah, God, I hope the only hearing that noise. Anyways, so the first thing I'm gonna be showing you guys is this Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and this is from the brand Clean Skin Club. On here it says that it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin and protects the sun against UV damage, and it also reduces signs of aging. So this serum alone is $50, $49.95. That's double the price of the box right there. So this is what I mean when I say that it's a good thing to have, because you do get really good products in here. So yeah, I have not tried this before, like I mentioned before. Anyways, I'm very intrigued by this, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using it because of the acne treatment that I'm using right now. But I'm definitely gonna give this a go because vitamin C helps to brighten like dark scars and stuff on your face. So we'll try this out and we'll see. The next thing that I got is this Seattle London Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Oh, the pump different. It's like a big pump. I guess I should just spray this. Actually, I'm gonna use this at the end. I'm gonna just spray my face. I know I look crazy right now, but that's because there is an eyeshadow palette in this box that I want to use. So the Seattle London Setting Mist is $22, and it says that it helps to set and refresh your makeup. It's infused with coconut and it has a luminous ultra fine mist. It says it also has micro pearls that helps to give your skin a glow. It says this delicate coconut scent and a healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Listen, when I tell y'all I miss my home, I want to go home so bad, but it is what it is. And then let me show you what the serum looks like. Oh, cute packaging. I like that. We're all a sucker for cute packaging, right? The next thing that I got is this color switch, and I'm guessing that this is from the brand Lavish. It's a dry makeup brush cleaner, and it says that oh, there it is. It's a quick way to clean brushes in between uses, and it's $17. So we're gonna be trying this out today because I washed my brushes earlier, so we'll give that a shot. The next thing that I got is this eyeshadow palette from Pure Cosmetics. It says that this palette is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. And this palette was $36. That is what it looks like today. I'm gonna be using these tones right here for today's video. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, and it also says that this palette is cruelty free, gluten free, vegan friendly, so that's always good, right? And then the last thing that I'm gonna show you from this box is the Mana Kadar lip whip, and it says that it's a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments. So this lip color was $21. It's definitely darker than what I usually go for. Well, not darker, but more like on the pinky side. Is that pink? No. It looks more, I don't know. That's what it looks like right there. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna give it a try. So I'm first gonna start with my eyes. I did my skin off camera, but I'll have everything that I used on my face linked in the description bar down below for you guys. So be sure to check that out. And yeah, let's get this thing started. Okay guys, so to prep my lids, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. And I'm just gonna apply some loose powder under my eyes, just to allow me to see translucent powder to catch any fallout, because I am going to be playing with these shimmers. So goodness gracious, powder everywhere now. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna go in with is Electric, which is this dark blue right here, and I'm kind of wanting to do a halo eye, so I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer corners of my eye, and again I'm just pressing it. Okay, so now that we look mad as shit, I'm gonna go in with the color switch and clean up that brush. Not bad. And now I'm gonna go in with Utopia, which is the lighter blue, and put that on the center of my lid. For my waterline, so we got in, okay, I want to go in with a purple, so I'm gonna be doing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Pencil in Night Violet. gonna put that in my waterline. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with Fantasy World, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. Okay, so that's what we looking like right now. So recording, yeah. And for my inner tear duct, I want to do maybe the lightest one, Euphoric. I'm gonna use that same brush. Oh, so this can actually come out of the pan, and you could wash it with whatever cleanser you would use to clean your brushes, and you could just let it dry and then put it back in here. That is really cool. Very, very convenient. Okay, you guys, so my thoughts on this month's box. The eyeshadows I do like a lot. It did have a lot of fallout, but that's kind of expected with shimmers, especially pressed pigments like this. Yeah, but the pigmentation was really good. Definitely recommend this if you wanted to give it a try. The satin spray I like the nozzle. I like the way that it sprays. The fragrance though, not really my favorite. The lip color I do like. I like the formula of it. I don't like the color so much. It's just not what I like. The color switch, 100% recommend. I wish I had used this in my previous videos, because then I would have some clean brushes to use today. And the vitamin C booster, I'm gonna give it a try and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I've heard really good things about vitamin C. I'm not sure how it works with salicylic acid, so I'll keep you guys updated on this one. And yeah, that's it for the end of this BoxyCharm unboxing. Yeah, and this is the final look. Y'all already know I'm obsessed. It's very simple, but I like it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come back and vibe. You know what I mean? Okay, bye guys. This is good. I like it. Oh yeah, I like it.